Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get free virtual credit card for free trial. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're tired of those surprise charges hitting your bank account the second a free trial ends, you really need to start using virtual credit cards. Now, they're basically digital placeholders that let you sign up for services without ever handling over your actual debit or credit card info. Now, it's a total game changer for staying in control of your subscriptions. Now, if you're based in the US, a great place to start is going to be Zelle.us. Now, even though it's often used by businesses, a lot of people have been leaning on it lately because it's a straightforward and you can create a virtual visa by put a tiny bit of cash on it and just kill the card the moment your trial is confirmed. Now, general feedback from users highlight how quickly you can spin these up, so which is perfect for those quick signups where you just want to get in and out. Now, also we have privacy.com. Now, which is easily the most popular choice in the tech community. Now, what people really love there is, or here, is the merchant looking feature. Now, you can set a strict spending limit on a specific card, like just $1 here. Like when the trial ends and the company tries to auto renew you for the full monthly fee, the transaction just bounces instantly. Now, it's like having a digital bouncer for your wallet, and many long-term users may say it saves them hundreds in forgotten subscriptions. Now, for those of outside the states here, well, Revolut is definitely the top recommendation. Now, people frequently point to their disposable card features as a favorite here. Now, these cards literally delete themselves the second you use them once. So when you use it to verify a trial, the specific card number vanishes and is replaced by a new one. Now, it makes it physically impossible for a company to bill you a month later because the card simply doesn't exist anymore. And finally, if you want something that works globally with a ton of transparency, well, Wise here is an excellent choice. Now, security experts often suggest it because you can hold different currencies and get instant alerts the second anyone even tries to touch your money. Now, it's all about taking the stress out of trying new apps and platforms here, ensuring your cash stays exactly where it belongs to, which is with you. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.